You've probably seen YouTube videos that explain complicated topics in a super simple and easy to understand way. These are called explainer videos, and right now they're becoming one of the fastest growing types of content on YouTube. Many creators are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars just by posting these kinds of videos consistently. The best part is, you don't need expensive equipment, animation skills, or a big team to make them. With the help of free AI tools, anyone can create professional-looking explainer videos from home. So, if you want to start your own explainer channel and get monetized on YouTube, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to create these videos from scratch using completely free AI tools. Before we start the tutorial, let's quickly look at a list of channels and a short video for inspiration. This includes monetized channels with similar content but in different niches, so you can see how the same style works across multiple topics and apply it to your own.
The lion. The lion is the only truly social big cat and lives in groups called prides. Most lions are found in Africa, although a small population survives in India. Males are recognized by their large manes, which can vary in color and size. Lions hunt large animals like zebras and buffalo, often working together during nighttime hunts. Their loud roar can be heard from miles away across open grasslands.
First, open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, click on the More option and then select Apps. This will take you to a new interface. At the top, you'll see an option called ChatGPTs. Click on it. Now, in the search bar, type Everything Explained. You'll see this specific ChatGPT appear. Select it. It will take you to the main interface where you'll see a Start button. Click on it, and it will generate different topic ideas for various niches separately. Now, simply choose a topic from your niche. For example, under the animals niche, you might select Every Type of Big Cat Explained. Copy it, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. ChatGPT will then create a full script for you. Once your script is ready, we can move on to the next step. Now open a new chat again, click on the More option and go to Apps. At the top, select ChatGPTs. In the search bar, type 2D cartoon animation and select it from the results. This will open the tool interface. Now type your character name. For example, since we're making a video on types of big cats, we'll start with lion. Click Generate, and ChatGPT will create different prompts for you, including character image prompts, walking prompts, and more. Next, open Flow AI and start a new project. By default, Nano Banana AI will already be selected. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box. Then click Generate. Flow AI will start creating your images. Repeat the same process with each prompt. Copy from ChatGPT one by one and paste into Flow AI. Once done, you'll have multiple generated images that we'll later use to create your final explainer video. Open DupDub AI and go to the Product section. From there, select the Text-to-Speech option. This will take you to a new interface where you'll see a large script box in the center of the screen. Now switch back to ChatGPT, copy the full script you've generated, and paste it directly into the DupDub script box. Once you've done that, look at the right-hand side where you'll find the More AI voiceovers option. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear showing a variety of different AI voice styles. Take your time to explore the options and choose the voice that best fits your video style and tone. After selecting your preferred voice, go to the Export settings, choose the MP3 format, and click the Export button. Finally, download the generated voiceover file to your device, and you're ready to use it in your project. Now open CapCut. Once it's opened, the first thing you need to do is import the voiceover file and drag it onto the timeline. After that, I'll also import a white background because I'll be removing the backgrounds from the images, and a clean white background usually looks much better for educational and explaining style videos. Next, let's start by creating the thumbnail style opening frame for the video. First, import a lion image and remove its background. Then, add the animal's name underneath the image. After that, duplicate the same image around 4 times and place each one slightly ahead of the other to create a clean visual layout. Now select all 4 images, duplicate them again, and move the duplicated set downward. Once that's done, replace each duplicated image with different variations of big cats. After replacing the images, add the names of each animal below them, and your opening thumbnail style frame is now ready. The next step is animation. Select all the elements and create a compound clip. Then place a keyframe at the start of the clip. Move a few frames forward, slightly zoom in by increasing the scale, and add another keyframe. This will create a smooth zoom animation and make the visuals look more dynamic and engaging. You can also create a walking animation for the animals. To do this, import the walking animation images one by one. Start with the first lion walking frame and remove its background. Then import the next walking frame, remove its background as well, and place it in exactly the same position as the previous image. As you continue duplicating and arranging all the walking frames in sequence, you'll notice that the lion starts looking like it's actually walking. Once you understand this process, you can create longer walking animations or even show a full group of lions walking together. For the rest of the video, the process is mostly the same. Import your images, animate them using keyframes, effects, and simple animations, and make sure the visuals match the script properly and stay interesting to watch throughout the video. Once everything is completed, export the final video in 4K quality, and your video is ready to upload.
The lion. The lion is the only truly social big cat and lives in groups called prides. Most lions are found in Africa, although a small population survives in India. Males are recognized by their large manes, which can vary in color and size. Lions hunt large animals like zebras and buffalo, often working together during nighttime hunts. Their loud roar can be heard from miles away across open grasslands.
And that's it. Your video is now ready. As you can see, the whole process is simple and beginner-friendly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next one.